Hello guys, welcome back to Viral 263 apo patinokupa inyaya dzinenge dzichiitika mumativi mana enyika yedu yeZimbabwe. So guys, if it's your first time here, kana watanga kusvika pano muzuva ranhasi, may you please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that next time when I upload a video, you will not miss it. If you are a returning subscriber, I would like to say thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So the story that we're going to look at today is about Mudiwa. Mudiwa is saying that he's not seeing himself dating a public figure again. So the main reason why Mudiwa have decided to share about this is that a lot of people were sharing some content about Gemma Griffith, saying that we need her as Murora, we need her to be the wife to Mudiwa. So I'm going to read the post by Mudiwa. But before I do that, here are some of the posts which triggered Mudiwa to share this thing about dating a public figure. So Mudiwa is saying, I don't see myself ever dating a public figure, never. Those jokes by other public figures vachitamba hao saying Mudiwa, I am single. I believe these are mere jokes. They aren't serious, it's just having funny. I know them, it's purely content, I suppose. They are good people though. I'm sure you are a public figure, besides Rema jokes easy. God willing, my marriage has to be with a low-key wife or partner. I have long moved from clout, spotlight, and attention. It doesn't interest me anymore. Money moves, legacy and empire building took over. I would love a very low-key, respectful, well-mannered, smart, God-loving, and drama-free character. Someone ready to take on the world with, build a good life, and live our best life. I am not in a relationship because it's not an easy decision. If I am to date, I would love to marry my partner. So yeah. So guys, you have heard it. So I'm going to read some of the few comments which I've seen on Mudiwa's post. So the first one was saying, ha ha ha. In short, Mudiwa arikuti haade munhu anowana more than 2 likes per social media. Vanoita ma 3 likes and 1 comment, oyo mukana, kandai ma CV, hapana chisina ma advantages acho. Shots fired, the pain goes straight to Rorin. Mudiwa, you don't owe them any explanation. It's your life. People can drive you to live the life they want you to live. Be yourself, wangu. No need to explain anything. The best for you is yet to cross path with you. As I always say, your life, your rules. Do's no kuitira munu. Each to their own. Then this one was saying, and there I was working on my media career to be known, of course, by you. Because I've been low-key and I saw that it doesn't work for me. No man, come to South Africa. I'm here. You need a branch for your Mudiwa clothing here so you can visit more often and get to meet me. Low-key, respectful, well-mannered, smart, God-loving, drama-free, and ready to be a good stepmom. This type of a woman has real anokanda CV, anotonyengwa akavarairwa. In short, zikamai yenyu ananingirikini. The message is directed to her. So there we have it, guys. Mudiwa is saying that he is not seeing himself dating a public figure in the near future. And he is not just going to date for fun, but he's going to date to marry. You have heard him saying that. So I don't know what you think, guys. Feel free to comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. So until next time, guys, it's a goodbye for now.